Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to do a live weather monitoring system without using any hardware. Let's get started. So first, let me explain the steps and then I will do a demo. So here we are using OpenWeather API. So these are the steps. So first we need to install Python. So you can download the Python from python.org website. Then we need to verify whether the Python is installed and the version. So for that we need to use the command python -version. And the next step is we need to create a project folder in our system. So in this folder we need to store the Python script and the HTML template. And the fourth step is we need to set up a virtual environment. So we need to go to from the command prompt, we need to open that project folder, and in that folder we need to execute this command. So this will create a virtual environment. The Tech Trends is the environment name. You can give any name. Now let me explain the command. So python -m when we is used to tell Python to run the when we module as a script. So this command will create a new virtual environment, and the -m flag is used to run the module as a script. I have given the virtual environment name as Tech Trends, and you can replace with the name which you prefer. The fifth step is we need to activate the virtual environment, and this is the command Tech Trends /scripts/activate. So you need to replace with your virtual environment name here. So once the environment is activated, in the command prompt we will see this line, the virtual environment name space the project folder and the project file name. And the next step is we need to install the web framework Flask. Then we need to create the project files. These files should be created inside the project folder which we created in step 2. And then we need to create the templates folder inside the project folder. And now finally we need to run the Flask app. The command is python -app.py. app is the file name. And in case if it throws the error like traceback most recent call module not found error, then we need to run this command pip install request. Now let's see how to do this. Now let's see the demo. So first we need to create the API. So for that we need to go to this openweathermap.org website and we need to register here. I have already registered here. Once you registered, go to sign in, enter the username and password and click on the submit button. And then you can see many menus and we need to go to this API keys. So this is our API key. So we need to use this in our program. The next step is we need to install Python. So you can download Python from python.org website. Go to downloads folder and you can download the Python and you can install. So I have already installed the Python. Now open command prompt and we need to check the version of the Python. So to check the version, so this is the command python -version. Python. So 3.11.7 is my Python version. So we have completed step 1. Now so we have completed step 1 and 2, and now step 3. We need to create a project folder in our system. So you can create in any of the path. So I am creating the project folder under D drive. I am giving the name as projects. Inside projects, I am creating another one subfolder, weather station. Now step 3 is completed. Next one is step 4. We need to set up a virtual environment. So this is the command. Copy. We need to navigate to the project folder. So go to D drive, and our folder name is projects. So cd space projects, and the subfolder name is weather station. So this is our project folder, and we need to run this command here. Paste that command and press enter. Now the virtual environment is created. Now let's go to the next step. The step 5. Step 5 is activate the virtual environment. So this is the command to activate the virtual environment. Copy. So this TechTrends is my virtual environment name. So you can replace with any name which you prefer, and you need to replace this TechTrends with your virtual environment name. Now just press enter. As mentioned in the document, we got this command here. And the step 6 is we need to install the Flask. Again press enter. Now Flask is installed. Now step 7. We need to create the project files inside the project folder. This is our project folder, and inside this we need to create the project files. The file name is app.py, which is a Python file. New text document. Give the name as app.py. And we need to copy the code. So this is my program. I am just copy pasting here. And then we need to replace this API key. So go to openweathermap.org, copy this API and paste here. Now step 8. Now we need to create a templates folder inside the project folder. Here we need to create a folder called templates. So inside templates folder we need to create a file index.html. So you can give any name. So that name you need to mention in the app.py file. So I am giving the file name as dashboard.html. So this template, the file name inside this templates folder, that name you need to mention here. So whatever name you are giving, you need to mention the same name here. So this is the code I am copy pasting here. Now the next step is we need to run the Flask app. So Python app.py. Press enter. Yeah, we are getting error. So if you are getting error, we need to run this command pap install request. So that is completed. Now let's run the Flask app again. So we need to install Flask course. So let's install that also. pip install Flask course. So now let's try to run the Flask app again. Okay, now it's running. So copy this URL and check in our browser. So we got that city text box. So let's enter any city here. Click on the get weather button. So we are getting the temperature in Delhi city and the temperature and the humidity value, and also we are getting the weather description. So let's try another city. So this is our output. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends. Thank you.